Hey everyone, my name is Abhisha Parikh. I'm an immigration attorney here in New Jersey, practicing nationwide. Today, I want to talk about what can happen if you're a green card holder who is stuck outside the US during this coronavirus situation. So, a lot of you may be concerned about that 6-month rule because you are looking to apply for citizenship soon. Or you may be concerned that your green card status will be considered abandoned if you're outside of the country for more than a year. So right now, USCIS has not issued any statement on this. Neither have the local consulates, but we do know that there is a strict travel ban for countries in Europe and China and countries like India where no commercial flights are flying out to the US right now. So while green card holders technically can come back from there, unfortunately there's just no flights to bring them back, and then there's another travel ban on top of that. So what I would recommend in this case is that be prepared to show that your intent was not to abandon your green card status. What does that mean? Keep your return tickets for the airline. So have proof that when you initially booked your flight, you booked a round trip and you intended on coming back before the expiration of that 11 or 12 months, or 5 or 6 months if you were looking to apply for citizenship. I would also document your ties to the US. So in the meantime, if possible, try to get a copy of your lease if you're leasing a house. If you own property in the US, try to get copies of ownership. If you have an open bank account here in the US, keep those records, monthly records, from the time you open to the account till today, the day you fly out from the country that you're in. Car payments, insurance, health insurance, auto insurance, tax returns, all of that shows that you still maintain ties to the US. Of course, there's also the aspect of having immediate family members in the state. So if you can prove that, your spouse or your children or your parents were in the US while you were traveling abroad, that only strengthens your position that you did not intend to abandon your green card status. So that 1-year rule, it's not a hard and fast rule. When you travel, the officers at the airport do have discretion to determine whether you did intend to abandon your permanent residency or not. So if you can show that you continue to maintain ties to the US in this time and you booked a return ticket, that plays in your favor to show that these circumstances were out of your control, and that's the reason that you couldn't come back on time. If there's any further updates regarding this, I will definitely post the update in a follow-up video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button on the bottom and hit subscribe so you can be updated every time that a new immigration related video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.